The Munter Hitch is next, and the Munter Hitch is used in a number of different places. One of them is in tying a load release hitch that we use, not too often anymore because of our multi-purpose devices that we have, but it is a good hitch to know. The other reasons that you can use or have used a Munter hitch is in rappelling or in belaying. So the Munter hitch is tied similar to the clove hitch midline. We're going to take the working end, or either end actually, and again make a loop behind. The clove hitch we did the same thing, again back here, but with the Munter hitch we're not going to do that second loop. What we're going to do is we're going to take that working end and fold it back on and retrace the loop that we made up to this point. At this point we're going to take the two ropes that are together and clip them into the carabiner, and what we have now is a Munter hitch. The way I've clipped this is so that, again, I'm creating muscle memory. The way I've tied it this way is exactly the same way as I'm going to tie when I am doing the radium release hitch. And what that means is this rope and this hitch are all set up for the rope to go in that direction. It's in the lowering mode. As you may or may not be aware, the Munter hitch works in two directions. We can go that direction with the rope, or if we pull this other side, the knot or the hitch will invert and we can pull in the other direction and move the rope in the opposite direction. So when we want the hitch to go in a certain direction immediately, we have to know what direction that is, and we have to tie it so that it goes the direction we want without having to flip over and invert itself. Once again, we're going to tie it so that the standing end is going to be going in this direction. So I'm going to tie a loop with the working end behind. I'm going to fold it back on itself and clip in right where those two ropes come together or touching each other. We tighten it up, and I know that the rope is immediately ready to go in that direction without inverting the hitch.